Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing the right alcohol that I have tested, and I trust them so much that you can use to soak your fruit, or you can also add it direct to your cake, especially wedding cake, to help you preserve the cake at least for a long time, for up to a month without no problem. If today is your first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by just clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of our new videos. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert. Any day I post any new video, you will get an alert so that you will follow us back to back. Make sure to watch this video today, and don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment and feel free to share to your friends. To my old subscribers, welcome back again. Let's start. Number one is Squadron. I love this so much. Use it to soak your fruit for your wedding cake. One Man Squad is another one. You can also use it to soak your fruit. Best Cream, you can use it to prepare your cream vanilla cake, not for soaking of fruit though. And another one I love, yes, is The Rock. You can get the bigger bottle or the sachet one, depending on the amount of fruit you're about to soak. For the last wedding cake I made, this is the way I soaked my fruit. I used One Man Squad, and I used the 2 packets of fruits. It was very nice. It was very okay. At least a bottle was okay to cover up this 2 packets of fruits. Just open your fruit, pour direct to your container. The container must have a cover because this fruit I soaked it up to a month before I used. So it's not a month that you must soak up to that. You can soak 1 week, 2 weeks, depending on the time you got the cake order. When you're done adding your alcohol, just cover it very well and keep it in a very safe place till when you're ready to. After up to 1 month, you can see how it's looking now. I'm adding the alcohol is just remaining small. The fruit has already soaked the alcohol very well. It can stay. This particular cake, I prepared it on a Wednesday, decorated it on a Thursday, delivered on a Friday, and the wedding was on Saturday. They ate the cake till Sunday without the cake entering the fridge, yet it was still fresh. That's the secret of adding alcohol to your fruit. And you can also add it directly to your cake. It will help to preserve the cake. I don't use normal preservative, as in powder preservative in the market. I don't like it. You can try it, but I don't use it. I prefer using alcohol. So I just introduce you to 3 different alcohols, and which I know that no matter the place you stay, no matter the state you are in Nigeria or outside the country, you can still get these 3 different alcohol. But if it's not around, you can try another alcohol. But these ones are the ones I have tried, and I love them. I love the outcome. It's very pretty nice. So feel free to try it out. You enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If today is your first time of watching my video, like I said before, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click on your notification bell. Click on notifications so that if I post any new video, you will get an alert. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.